Personally, NCRT is your god. Study only and only NCRT. I think for CUET or even in general boards, NCRT is the most important. And you have to read it very, very carefully, line by line. Even the tiniest thing can become a question.
NCRT is literally the only thing that is being tested in this exam. It's not testing your concepts, it's just testing how well you can remember the NCRT.
NCRT is very important because economics, there's basically they give you the NCRT line and then remove one word from it. And then you have to choose from the 4 options which word could it be. And in an exam environment, all the options seem correct. So definitely the most important thing for this year's CUET and probably for next year as well would be NCRT. Focus on NCRT. While you're doing NCRT, you should go ahead with mocks.
So my अपनी अगर preparation strategy, if I have to say, then yeah, just stick to NCRTs. NCRT is just everything for you. Like we say, कि NCRT के each line you have to just get everything with NCRT.
NCRT, this was my personal experience. I read it for like, I don't know, I did not count, but yeah, I read multiple times and it helped me a lot. You actually, when you read it like again and again, you know that, okay, this question can be asked from there. So this was so helpful for me.
I believe that CUET UG 2026 aspirants should focus more on reading NCRTs as many times as possible so that they can get a better grip on all the timelines and the concepts and everything. NCRT is a must. NCRT is the Bible.
With regards to how CUET 2026 aspirants should prepare, my only advice is read your NCRTs very, very well. This is something that I stuck by for my boards preparations, for my pre-boards preparation, for my CUET preparation as well, and I scored in my boards 97.2%. So you have to understand that it is very important for you to read your NCRTs very well, and especially in political science and history. I think both of those two subjects, be very, very careful to read about the boxes. Read the boxes very well. In fact, I may say that before you go for a CUET, review the boxes once again, review them thoroughly, because the amount of information that they have is what the CUET is. I will tell you, I got more than 9 questions, I can say, or even 10 questions just from those boxes.
NCRT should be a focus. Read the NCRT books as much as you can. They really are the Bible. In NCRT, most of the questions I found that they really were from NCRT.
For theory subjects like history and sociology, there is only one book NCRT जहाँ से questions आते हैं. And अगर तुम्हारी NCRT की understanding completely clear है, again अगर तुम relate कर पाते हो उसको अपनी life से, then it will be very easy for you. Theory subjects are the most scoring subjects, and you can increase your total score from that.
आप लोग NCRT from the very start पढ़ो. मैंने वही किया था. मैंने boards के लिए and CUET के लिए, क्योंकि syllabus काफी same होता है English को छोड़कर and GT को छोड़कर. Of course GT मैंने किया नहीं, बट बाकी जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनके लिए तो आपको NCRT ही पढ़नी है. फ्रॉम द उनके कोर तक जाकर आपको NCRT पढ़ो. रीड बिटवीन लाइंस, बट NCRT को इतना अच्छे से कर लो. मैंने बहुत बार पढ़ ली थी NCRT, तो उससे मेरे लिए हेल्प हुई कि मेरे बोर्ड्स में भी अच्छे परसेंटेज आ गए एंड मेरे CUET में भी मेरे को बहुत हेल्प हो गई उससे.